Hey everyone, I'm Priya Thirumalanambi and today I'm going to show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI in just few simple steps. First, you'll need to choose a niche for your channel. After that, I recommend getting a subscription to invideo.io. I opted for the month-to-month subscription, but if you want to save more, you can go for the yearly plan. Now I'm clicking YouTube Explainer. And the next step is to select timing for the video. I'm going to select 1 minute video and you have the option to write the full script over here or just the title, or if you want you can add in just a few key points, facts or opinions to guide your video structure. So today I'm going to have video on this title, which is the largest desert in the world. And after that, it's time to choose the right background music. Depending on your video's theme, you can select something happy and upbeat. Or if your topic is more mysterious or serious, go with dark and hunting tones. Actually, the music really sets the mood for your video. So here I'm going to give happy. When creating a video, you have few other options to consider. First, you can select either a male or female voice for the narration. I'm going to choose female voice with Californian accent for the narration. And you can select the subtitles, font to make sure the text is clear and readable. We also have access to 80 iStock photos per month. And depending on your availability, you can either use a few iStock photos or only iStock photos or none at all to make the best use of these resources. So I'm going to give don't use iStock because I used most of the iStock photos and I have only few remaining left in my account. And finally, for background music, um, it is always recommended to use the YouTube audio library. This way you won't need to worry about copyright issues with the music. So now I'm going to click continue, and it's appearing here. Create 1 minute YouTube video, which is the largest desert in the world. Make the background music happy. Use a female voice with the Californian accent for the narration. So we are going to generate a video now. Let's wait for a few minutes. So now this one appears like audience is travel enthusiasts and look and feel. I'm going to give inspirational platform. You can choose any one of these like YouTube. I'm going to upload that in YouTube. So I select those. Let's wait for the, we can watch it, and if needed, we can make changes by clicking the edit button over here. And from there, we can update the images or script, anything, and give apply changes. And this tab is to adjust other settings like removing the subtitle or switching to the male narrator's voice and so on. So you can use the download button, and no watermarks as we have the subscription, and in video AI branding is none, and select download resolution is the highest resolution. So here you have the remaining iStock photos. If you use something, it will appear the remaining iStock photos over here. and if we click continue, it will get download. And thanks for watching my video, and if you want, please let me know in the comment. I will tell you how to create YouTube thumbnail using AI. Thank you so much.